It's a very nice early clock. This is a nice one. This has oak leaves. Has a whole oak leaf and acorn motif on it. Really nice carving. Great runner. As you can see, it's a nice running clock. Original bone hands on it, which is hard to find. Most of the times things are broken off or replaced with plastic. It's a very early, nice pendulum on it. Clock from the 1900s. It's a nice gong, a nice bird. I'll make this one go off. Let's get this going again. Very nice early Black Forest clock. I like these ones with the nice motif instead of dead animals hanging on them and everything else. It's a really unique clock with all the oak leaves on it. Very nice early style Black Forest clock.